Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mangothao. Okay, today's video is going to be an unboxing of my first. So, backstory to this is because you all may know I dress up as Trina at times, and all my friends know that I wear the highest heels in our group of friends whenever we go out to occasions or gatherings. So, I finally purchased myself a stripper heels from Amazon. I was always joking with my mom when I was younger that if I can't find a good job, I will become a stripper. But I was just kidding, guys. I am not becoming a stripper. I just bought these because I always wanted a pair of stripper heels. And yes, these are stripper heels. I do not hate or discriminate on people who does stripping. If that's what you do, that's what you do to make your coins. So without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing. So the brand is Pleasers, and there's a website as well. It's www.pleasersusa.com. I think these are all mostly catered to strippers. So I bought these on Amazon. Let's just go over there. So let's see. Oh wait. So I purchased these on Amazon because we're all in quarantine right now. I forget how much it cost. I think it was like $70 to $80. But these are really cute. What I saw online. See, this is a dust bag for the Okay. So I guess that was just extra packaging. So let's get on to my babies. Whoa. They are pretty big. Ooh, look at it. Can you see the bling bling? Oh my gosh. These are some big heels. Ooh, it has a cushion here. So, I guess your feet won't be hurting. Oh, I just love them. They're just so sexy, you could say. Let's get the other pair out. Wowza. They are gorgeous. What do you guys think of my stripper heels? I just love the detailing. Let's get closer. Oh my gosh. These are the heels that I'm wearing right now. Big shout out to my sister. Give me these. Let's compare them in size. Yeah. 2 different sizes. I wear heels taller than this one, but not as tall as this. I don't have my tape measure, but let's back up and I will put these on. So see you guys in the jiffy. Okay, so now you guys see me in full glam. These are the heels that I'm wearing now. Are they cute? So, let's get on to trying on these babies. Let's see. I already unbuckled them. Dang it. I hate my feet because they're so wide. So it looks like I'm squeezing into these. I wonder, do they have wide stripper heels? Wow, they feel so tall already. The moment of truth. Katrina, Victoria, Athena, Mangothao walking them. So, this is how they look like. What do you think? Like walking in them is easy, and posing in them, bam, 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 bam. Oh my gosh, like I could run in them. I could do you see walking them? Oh, almost tripped there. I love them. I love them. They're so cute. Okay, let me give you guys a close-up. This is the close-up of the heels. Back view. Side profile. Front view. Excuse my pokey legs if you can see some here. They're so cute. I just wish my feet wasn't so wide, but it makes me look sexier. What do you guys think? Oh, I love them. They're cute. So, that's all for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.